I think there are three things that are unique to Ogden School. Real life skills aren't always taught in schools. Children are able to find inner strengths and use them to the best of their ability, and there's lots of student-led activities, fun and collaboration. As an experienced primary school teacher, I have taught across most grade levels, most curriculum areas, and I have held a number of leadership positions across the school. I believe the role of education is to help students to put their best foot forward in a variable and complex environment. With the Ogden School program, 8 to 12-year-olds are much more equipped for life at school, their future life and life at work in the 21st century. This program has been developed in partnership with teachers and technologists, simulating real-life challenges, problem solving, including business problems, design challenges, social and corporate challenges, focused on building core life skills that we as adults use every day and are not necessarily taught in school. The sessions are conducted on Zoom with me and dedicated coaches. Students are then evaluated and paired with complementary and adversary teammates. Each week they are taught a key life skill that they then apply to real life challenges, and then they present their solution to that challenge. These are play-based sessions, gamified and facilitated instead of being taught to students. The term finishes with the entire project being showcased by the students to their parents, peers and an industry expert panel. This may be in the form of a proposal, a presentation, a business case or just a pitch. They are given positive and constructive feedback, and the winners rewarded with a programmable robot, a drone or another cool gadget. We measure constant improvement in their confidence, problem solving, collaboration, critical thinking skills and leadership skills, all skills that are needed for the future. The weekly 1-hour enrichment program for 8 to 12-year-olds builds the 4 pillars of leadership as a muscle memory in a fun and collaborative approach that children not only enjoy but bring their friends into too. Parents receive weekly reports including what the child can improve upon and how we will help them to do that. As a teacher, I recommend this program as I've seen the significant benefits it gives my students. Our parents have seen their children apply these acquired skills in their schools, in competitions and in their life at home. At Ogden School, we help a child discover their inner elements, something the Japanese called ikigai, using real life scenarios, something you do not always see being achieved through regular classroom curriculum.